Good morning to all. My question is that why you think men are responsible for spoiling the future of youth? Why you think so, Dad?
Because there are many reasons. Like they are have more freedom than women. They are drinking and smoking in a public place also. You know this thing very well. I know. I know.
And in this era, the society will be changed, and women also have a freedom, and women are also taking alcohol and smoking in public areas.
But in a case, the women have less freedom, and if they are going somewhere, they have to ask their parents. I am going there. If the parents give the permission, then only they are going.
So women are not like men. Like men drink and they are beat their wife and abusing somebody and somewhere and they don't think about society. Then women not doing such of things.
Women also drink in the
Yes,
past.
they are drink, but they are not.
You don't know what the situation being on. In the big cities, the girls also drink and they also dizzy on the roads and also going when she goes to her house, so the parents are scolded them and also beat them.
But they are not abusing somebody and harassing a
How
man.
can you say
and-
that they can't abuse at any person?
But they are not teasing like men, teasing women and harass them and doing bad things. They
You
are not doing bad
you
things.
don't know the full news and the full discussion about them. Many cases are done in the police station that women are harassed the pupils by the online platforms.
Now you have.
But you can
Now you are telling about that the parents scold the women. They are beating them. But then the girls are understand that things it is wrong. But if the boy do this, the parents are not saying anything.
I am
And
saying to you how the future is spoiled, how the youth of future is spoiled by the men's freedom.
by drinking, if they are free,
So, drinking
they
also
are
spoiled by
modern
Mostly
women
of the
are
men
drinking.
are also not.
not a like if,
modern men are
if you are telling about
Modern common women are not drinking.
common men are not drinking.
if you are
Yes,
if
yes,
you
right.
are common
We are
man,
common men.
drink
We are
that,
common men.
you
How
see
is it
that you see the ratio of that the girls are spoiling the future of youth. So how can you say that the girls are spoiling the future of
Girls spoiling the future of Indian youth in such men in such type of places that they don't have to do. And you know that there are 93% of the teenagers use social media platforms. So if the such type of vulgarity are done by the women in these social media platforms, then what was the effect goes to the teenagers, to the youth? It was totally spoiling the future of the youth.
But wear girls women's clothes and make reels on Instagram.
They do such type of activities because they know that such type of vulgarities will be famous, and most of the girls do such type of things. They have more
But
like
it's a big impact on today's generation. The
yes,
men
girls,
are wearing
yes, by
girls'
the
clothes.
such type of activities of girls, it was a big impact on the youth.
who are encouraging them to do like such of things.
If one girl do this, then others see that he get a more likes, then he also
Then-
start doing such
Then
type of
if
things.
the boy
Boys have also so many opportunities. Why they don't go in their other area? Why they
These type of videos are considered in the funny videos. But when women are doing such type of this, they spread the vulgarity in teenagers and spoil the future of the teenagers.
boys also making groups and sending such of reels everybody.
So they make a group, but they do not spread this type of vulgarities in all over the social media. They make a group.
and
And they send their friends. They are also spoiling their friends, na?
the friends, we
You
are
are know that their friends are not
They are also
above
sending
under
the
18.
reels. They are also sending the reels, but the reels are made by the girls.
girls
And
and
the problem is
Why-
when the reels are making by the girls.
One by one. By one, please.
But when the reels are making by the girls, the boys also send they are not making the reels. Okay.
Yes.
By sending their friend, they also spoil their
So
friend.
you
Who are making the
Who are
girls
your opportunity to see this, so why
And the negativity is always more attractive than
So why
positivity.
are female taking only choosing this path to become rich
And become a famous.
and it's, become famous?
There are so many places and so many platforms you can
So
earn
there are so
money
many
and you
places,
can
so many platforms.
famous.
Why females are choosing this platform, this path?
Because you know if
Most of the women are also doing this area.
we are not
Yeah.
saying all girls.
they
We are not saying all
are
girls.
choosing platform because of that they are going for the job and their boss are doing harassment with them.
Not every every
Every-
job,
So how can you say that?
not every boss doing a such type of harassment with the girls. If girls are also have a vulgar girl, then the boss are taking such type of action. If the girl are taking action against the boss are not doing such type of harassment.
But they have to secure their jobs also. They have to if the someone are if the family are not so much of if they are a medium family or so they have to do such type of things. They have to go out for a job. And the boys are doing like this. They are commenting the girls how why
But in this era, most of the jobs are taken by the exam and interview. And interview are the many more 4 or 5 interviewers are there. And in this era, there is not any type of job. Then when the only one interviewer take your interview. There
Girls' future. One girl taking a job from their many of years practice and much more money to take them job. And if job are going and not taking this, then girls are also depressed and how to get money and how to take money to go and send father and
so
parents.
men are not practiced and men are not depressed. If men are depressed, they do
Because-
such type of means.
Because depression is not the solution of every problem. They have to do more practice so that they can be able for this job. They can study more. They can do some type of more hard work. But the depression is not the solution of this problem. By the depression, they use wrong ways, wrong path. It was not true. No?
But I'm saying the harassment side that boss are harass the girl who are job and take out their and take her job if they take action.
First of all, every time in every job, when women are giving the interview, women are above 18 year mature. She is mature. And how, and the question to you, how their boss are harass the woman, how they spoil the future of you?
Try office environment. People are saying this and they are also not giving respect to their women, to them women. Boss are wrong, so she complained about it. So office people think the woman is wrong and they don't treat that woman.
What if the boss removed them from the job? Then they make such type of blackmail that she
How
he
he
do
can
so.
Okay. I am questioning to you, by these activities, how the spoil the future of youth?
Because office people seeing this, seeing this.
If the girls are wrong, if the girl
Seeing this and
Office
office
people are
environment.
also mature and above 18. They are
Yeah.
not a youth, they are not a teenagers.
But they are discussing about their
So they are
family.
mature, they have a solution to take proper solution.
And if
Why are drinking, smoking, and doing such bad things? They are inviting their friends do these things with their. And if they don't do, they reject. They think he is not a man. He's children. They are spoiling their friends too. Then how can you say girls are not spoiling their friends? They are understand them. They are consult them.
You are saying that boys are drinking and they also spoil the future of young youth by drinking. But in this era, in big cities, the women are also having drink and also smoking. And in his surrounding, there are many students, there are many teenagers, many friends are having them, and they also see when they see her that she was drinking, she was smoking. What the impact doing on him?
And not only the Indian females, but also the foreigner females coming to the Goa side to trade drinks and trotting them here and there. They also spoil the future of youth. So female are spoil the future. He is in,
Of
she
their
is
friends
Indian,
also, of
she
our
is
friends
Indian or
also.
she is foreigner.
It's the ratio are very less on the drinking men or women. The men are all having higher ratio. Then every small cities, small villages, all the men are drinking. Small villages, women are not drinking, and small countries are women are not drinking and don't abusing. But their parents, their elder brother, they're abusing and drink.
Country, if there is 50% male and 50% female are there, and all are not drinking, the female are touching with the places, they are not drinking, they are not spoiling the future of youth, they are not drinking also. And what do you say about that?
Which era we are living, this is the type of AI era where everybody have Android. So in one touch they have the touch of the whole world, and in social media platforms, in many of the places where the girls spreading the vulgarity, every of the villagers, every of the child can see such type of things, and they are spoiling the future of the youth.
There is no isolation. All family are living together in a place. So they are not make such type of videos, such type of vulgarity. And if you are talking about the Android, so it is the progress. It is a medium of success. They can learn many things from the Android. How can you say that they are not Android are making that spoiling the future of youth?
In this era, most of the villages are converted into urban areas. Most of the rural areas are going into urban areas. And second thing, I'm not saying Android are the cause to spoiling the future of youth. Female are spoiling the future of youth. And in Android, social media is the main thing to spoil the future of youth. And females are using this type of part to spread the vulgarity in social media. And social media are used by most of the teenagers. So that's the cause to spoil the future of youth.
They are using intoxication and
That the intoxication level are very high, but government are taking action. Like Punjab, there are higher chances, higher level to intoxication, but there are government take action and they decrease.
You are saying that intoxication are so high in colleges, or the government also action on it. For a kind of information, where the drugs are the example of intoxication. The seller they sell the drugs, they are connected to the government. When the government are action on him, so they are arrested by him. So why the government arrested to his people on this activity? They are not arrest him. I give you example that many years ago there are a rape case. There are 4 people who are raped. The girl they are connected to the BJP Sarkar. So the government can't arrest him, can't action on it.
Even these are nauseous things, na?
And as you give the example of the Punjab government, I want to give you one more example of Bihar government. In Bihar, the intoxication are totally banned in Bihar legally. But in some there are approximately 30 to 35 people die because of drinking the poisonous alcohol in Bihar. So if the intoxication are banned in Bihar, then why the people are died?
Mostly they are taken by the male.
How can you say the male also? Only male sell the drugs and high the intoxication.
And there are many more cases comes from big cities that the the girls are died because of high level of intoxication.
But it is the very less ratio from the male.
From where you see this ratio?
In Google.
So tell me the ratio of the.
I don't know that.
So how can you
You
say
don't
that?
know.
When you know about the ratio,
30 to
so you know.
70% ratio. 30 to 70%, yeah, 35 to 65 ratio.
No, not only guessing. Prove it. The ratio is 36 and 30.
The PM is man. He can control. The PM is PM of the PM of mostly men are in row of drinking and sold
और
program.
आप बोलना
Most of the men in buying drink and selling. Where is the woman?
And in lockdown, most of the vulgarity are spread by females.
Yes.
On the social
Many
media
of the
platform.
villages,
I
many
am
of
talking about drinking.
I'm talking about vulgarity.
We are saying about
And all
spoil the future.
most of
Men
Kind-
also spread vulgarity on YouTube.
Okay.
Like
You are
they
saying-
are making.
Follow.
Men also spread vulgarity on YouTube. They make videos related to vulgarity, like lots of creators like Harsh Baniwal and Carrie Minati. How can you say that only women make vulgarity on social media?
when a new person scroll the reel, to many of the time girls videos on the social media.
Because you are promoting them.
I'm
not- we are not promoting that.
Who is created?
Way more.
So they are creating the videos, the
Why
burgers
they are
are
creating?
creating.
Many of the girls is
males
creating.
are also
But
creating
you
the
see it, then repeat the videos like this.
I'm saying that a new person buy new phone and he download the Instagram. When he scroll the reels, to many of the reels
Also by the female group.
female members.
Yes.
Why the need of youth using social media?
So why the
Teenagers
why
are
the
using,
use of
women
social-
are using, why they are using phone and social media?
Use of social media is that they can see the news, they can get updates from the environment, from the society. They
So
not for
that is
being
like
vulgarity.
news.
So
Danic app is for news. They can see
This
news
is
from
the
there.
generation of AI. You know about that. If you talk a good thing, if you see the good thing, then the AI will give you a good thing, good content. If you are seeing like vulgarity things, then it will come in.
so why females are
Also
using social
TV,
media?
TV have you can watch news on TV. Why only Instagram have the news?
So why females are choosing this part on Instagram to become rich?
And
And many more paths are there.
Women are also used for makeup, fashion video. They are not only used for that area.
And as you told,
Most of the girls are using
Most of the
that.
men are also promoting gambling and dopatti games.
I want to tell you that there are 34% of the women who are gamblers and who are arrested by the government. How can you say that it is only
You are saying
made
that
by and played
you are
by
saying that without
Many
using
of the
social media
events also
platform.
promoted it.
And you are saying your gambler games in many more gambler games they are the
They are this ride the bike and blackmailing girls and flirting girls. Why are you doing?
why they are doing.
Boy, do not lift. Not this. Pulse it.
सांस बैठी का सांस हमें नहीं बोल पानी जरा
अच्छा, तुम बोलो।
I think boy do not do this because when girls attention to her, then he do it. Then he did it. Boys do not do this because when girls attention to him, then he try to flirt it.
No, this girls say that boys ride the bike and blackmailing girls, flirting and Instagram profile. Also, boy, I believe that boy girls too. I am also boy.
मतलब आप